So we can practice standing up. Position arms lower, maybe parallel the palm to the earth, sink down the body. Do not lock the knees. Quiet down, move hand to the middle, circulate. Breathe in, could be in the middle. Breathe out, circle out. Breathe in, breathe out. You can follow the back. The hands more level to the ground. Feel energy. You are affecting the energy in your abdominal area as the bringing qi to yourself as your hand come closer to you. Feel energy. You may feel, may not feel. It doesn't matter. It's about doing it. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax and just relax. So thank you. Wish you a good day. Well, you can also rock the hand, generate some qi and put it on your face. This is also very anti-aging and rejuvenating. I think this is a wonderful practice we have today. There are more videos for you to follow, so remember to follow. So if you like what I do, please check the link below, and then I look forward to see you on the other side. Check it out now.